Welcome back, everyone, to TV5 News at 9. Time now for Legally Speaking, and we have our special guest, Attorney Carol Thomas, with us this morning. Attorney Thomas, thanks for being here.
It's wonderful to be back, Blake. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And I know I missed a lot of great information last week, so we're going to get up to speed on, elder law, estate planning, trust, all the good stuff that you cover in seminars. So, Attorney Thomas, it is seminar season. Please let us know when and where the next one will be.
Thank you for asking. The next seminar is going to be Thursday, April 11th. It's going to be in Bay City at the DoubleTree, and we have sessions at 10, 12, and 5. But Blake, they're going to be filled to capacity by the end of the week. So if someone would like to come, they really do need to call this week.
Yeah, absolutely. It's coming up quick. And what are some of the topics that you'll be covering?
Well, what I like to talk about at the seminars are things that people don't think about. So I start with definitions. I compare Medicare to Medicaid. A lot of people think that if they ever need long-term care, Medicare will pay for it, and Medicare will pay maybe 20 or 30 days, but not much longer than that. Wow. So I discuss how I'm able to get our clients that have the right documents eligible for Medicaid, so Medicaid will pay the nursing home bill. Saves people thousands of dollars.
Because the nursing homes charge about how much now?
$12,000 a month.
Wow, a month.
$12,000 a month, and we have some people that if they're on a trach, $30,000 a month.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it just depends on the situation.
Yes.
And I know these seminars will really help people avoid mistakes. And I know, what are some mistakes that you see people make, especially when it comes to real estate transfers?
And that's the biggest mistake I see.
Okay.
When someone has a home, often they think, we're going to make things easy. Let's not go to a lawyer. Let's just add our children's names on the deed. And that can cause so many problems down the road. It can also actually prevent us from saving money if one parent would need nursing home care. So it's a very, very serious mistake. The other issue is a lot of people do these deeds that are called ladybird deeds, where they transfer to their children. That is not the way to do estate planning. A ladybird deed is not the best way because, again, you could lose your assets if you don't put your home in a trust, which I recommend.
Okay, and these will all be covered at your seminars. And talk to us about the importance of having these documents prepared beforehand.
Well, what people don't think about is if I don't have them prepared and if I have a stroke and I'm not able to make decisions, what happens? Well, then a family member or a friend has to go to the probate court and become a conservator over you, making financial decisions, or a guardian making medical decisions. And isn't it much better, Blake, if someone just ahead of time fills out documents and say, this is who I want taking care of me, not letting a judge decide what's in your best interest? That can really cause some family dynamics that are unpleasant.
Do at all people need to come to these seminars with these type of documents, or just a mind for learning?
Just to learn.
Okay.
I'm a former teacher, and I look at these seminars as I'm still pretending I'm back in the classroom because I really like to teach people what do they need to know. There's so many myths out there as far as the topic that I talk about, so people enjoy it, and it's unprecedented. We're 2 weeks out and we're just about filled to capacity, so people are getting the word that it's important. Come, sit back for 45 minutes, let me teach you, then we have questions and answers, but I get a lot of good reviews because people do learn a lot of valuable information.
And I know you said those are filling up and you expect them to fill up by the end of the week, so a reservation is the way to go.
Absolutely, make a reservation. If not, we're already promoting September's, which will be in Saginaw.
Okay, very good. Attorney Thomas, thank you for coming on, sharing your information and seminars with the public.
Thank you, Blake.
You're very welcome. And for those of you at home, if you want more information, you can always grab it by going to the hot links section on our website at WNEM.com.